Your comprehensive morning to night summer skincare routine. As the sun's rays become more intense during the summer months, it's crucial to adjust your skincare routine to keep your skin healthy and glowing. From morning hydration to nighttime repair, here's a comprehensive guide to maintaining radiant summer skin from dawn till dusk. Morning routine. 1. Cleansing. Start your day by cleansing your face with a gentle, hydrating cleanser to remove any impurities that may have accumulated overnight without stripping away essential oils. 2. Toning. Follow up with a soothing and hydrating toner to balance the skin's pH levels and prepare it for better absorption of subsequent skincare products. 3. Hydration. Apply a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer with SPF to protect your skin from harmful UV rays while keeping it hydrated throughout the day. Opt for a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 for adequate protection. 4. Eye care. Gently dab on an eye cream formulated with antioxidants and SPF to protect delicate skin around your eyes from sun damage and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Daytime routine. 1. Sun protection. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if you are spending extended periods outdoors. Don't forget to cover exposed areas like your neck, arms, and hands. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from within and prevent it from becoming dry and dehydrated in the heat. 3. Oil blotting. Carry oil blotting sheets or a mattifying powder to absorb excess oil and sweat, especially in the T-zone, to maintain a fresh and matte complexion. Nighttime routine. 1. Double cleansing. Remove makeup and sunscreen with an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser to ensure thorough cleansing and prevent clogged pores and breakouts. 2. Exfoliation. Incorporate a gentle exfoliator into your nighttime routine 2 to 3 times a week to slough off dead skin cells and promote cell turnover for smoother, brighter skin. 3. Treatment. Apply a targeted treatment such as a serum or spot treatment to address specific skin concerns like hyperpigmentation, acne, or signs of aging. 4. Hydration. Finish off with a rich, hydrating moisturizer to replenish lost moisture and repair the skin's barrier overnight. Consider using a sleeping mask or overnight treatment for an extra boost of hydration and nourishment. Conclusion. By following this morning to night summer skincare routine, you can keep your skin protected, hydrated, and radiant all season long. Remember to listen to your skin's needs and adjust your routine accordingly to maintain a healthy and glowing complexion.